Hey, what's going on YouTube? And welcome back to all my cloud scholars out there. I want to thank you all for continuing with this video. Once again, my name is Kieran Truss, and this is the Okta series. I'm showing you how to master Okta. So what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to show you how to set up for a developer account within Okta. So if you just go into Google or any your Chrome browser or any other browser that you like to go into, and you just type in developer Okta account, and when you get here, you can just click on the Okta for developers, and then once you get here, you can X out of this, and then you can go to sign up. And then once you get to sign up, you have these three options here. This one, customer identity for cloud. You have the free trial, get access for 30 days, best for IT admins. Secure my employees, contractors, and partners. And then you have this developer one when you can test, explore, and manage integrations, right? You pretty much get the same features here. With this one, they give you a couple of different things here. So let's click on it and let's see what do they say we get here. So with the Workforce Identity Cloud, you get 7,000 pre-built-in integrations, no more vendor lock-ins, all your users, groups, and devices in one place. Automated one-click user onboarding and offboarding, trusted by organization worldwide, and it's easy integration, and you start your 30-day free trial. And if we come here, we can sign up for a developer edition, which this is going to help. You can get through this whole course with the developer edition. That's the one I'm actually going with, so you can continue using it later on. They do give you a bit of a threshold there when you're using Okta for the developer edition. But go ahead, sign up for your Okta edition, and then once you go ahead and do that, I'm going to sign up myself, and then we'll continue the video. Okay, so once you sign up, it will ask you to verify. You have to put your information and the email account in if you want. Hopefully you have a work email that you can utilize, or you have an account, because if you sign in with Gmail, it will give you a bit of a problem there. So if you can use your work email in the interim, you can use that just for testing and just to try it out. So that's pretty much it. That is how you sign up for a developer account. This is my developer account up here that I am going to be using throughout this course. So if you have any questions or anything like that, please leave it in the comment section. I love to answer all of those questions or anything of that nature. Please continue to watch the videos. At this moment, what we're going to do is I'm going to cut this video short because this is going to be just pretty much how to sign up for Okta. In the next video, I'll be going over the Okta interface, so this way you can get familiar with how to navigate throughout the Okta landscape. So once again, I want to thank you all for watching this video. My name is Kieran Truss. If you haven't done so already, please smash that like and subscribe button. Please continue watching these videos. I really appreciate it, and I like making these videos for you. In the meantime, my goal is to get you from scholar to consultant, and of course, consultant to expert. Thank you, and see you next time.